Ало.
Да.
Какво се разбрахте? Какво става? Окей. Добре.
Какво правиш?
Нищо, снимам така. Ами, да запроектваме. Да.
Хайде.
Айде. Guys, I'm gonna share with you my graduation project. So I was keeping it for so long because I was so lost during the process of deciding what I want to make, and I still am in a way. But now the things feel much more clear in my head. For my graduation project, I want to blur the boundaries between fashion design and interior design. I want to propose a new way of designing a space. I have never been drawn to fixed systems. I was always trying to create my way of working. By creating my own materials, I challenge and redefine the rules that shape interior design. When everything comes together in the right balance, it creates a sense of freedom where innovation and form open up unexpected possibilities. In this way, spaces shift from passive settings into extensions of craftsmanship and identity, transforming how they are conceived and experienced. I see interiors as a language of expression. In fashion, clothing acts as a second skin that surrounds and protects the body. My project will explore the idea how interior space can function as a second skin the same way as a garment. The concept focuses on how couture's craftsmanship can be translated from a body scale to a room scale spatial experience. I've started my material experimentations. I learn and get inspiration from couture techniques, and I'm trying to translate them into a spatial forms. My first experiments are with 3D printing over fabric. After producing my first series of samples, I realized that creating a maquette as I initially wanted would not be possible. The scale and the material qualities of the samples made it difficult to translate them into a small scale model. Instead, the experiments led me to a different direction. I decided to change my focus towards designing a piece of furniture or a lighting object where the material and its properties could be explored more effectively at a more proper scale. In the next vlogs, you see more of the process. A 3D printer is a machine that creates physical objects by building them layer by layer from a digital 3D design file, and it uses plastic filament as a material. First, I had to prepare the plate, and of course, my first printing attempt failed. Guys, I'm at the digital lab and I'm trying to print my prototypes, but there is a problem with the file and I'm waiting for someone to help me. So this is the file. I'm gonna print over this fabric. So we checked the file to make sure everything was correct. Then I exported it onto a USB drive and it was ready to print. At first, everything was going great, but when it was time to add the fabric, it got messed up again. се ще видим какво ще стане. This time the issue was the height of the plate, so I started all over again. I tried placing the fabric using magnets, but it still wasn't secure enough. We have 3 fails today. This is my third. In the end, I had to tape it down really well so it wouldn't move at all.
I don't think that's the problem. But it's set every time.
After spending 4 or 5 hours at the station, I finally succeeded. It's a long process, but I'm learning to be patient. Of course, not everything goes as planned, but instead of giving up, it only motivates me to keep going.
How's it going, Vince?
Are you happy with the results?
Yeah?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Български Ceppi. Не е Водимчев, не е Водимчев.
Ти имаш алергия.
Няма как да предскажа той.
Ми да се водиш.
Извинявай.
Ритай си. Ще опиш.
Аз съм алергия към микротон.
Първото?
Да, чак. Аз постоянно говоря за това нещо.
Не беше ли това сьомга?
Не,
Сьомга, ти ядеш сьомга всеки ден, ти ядеш сьомга всеки ден.
за закуска.
Да. О май гад.
Guys, I'm eating focaccia with stracciatella and so yummy.
Ама ви казвам магазин. Малко повече.
Да. Кики, какво правиш?
Ще направиш малко кафе.
Супер.
Ти къде са топло?
Това съм долу в Power Domain и почнах да трябва да си напиша първия драфт до 7.
Трудно.
Ами там за ресърча.
going to be wild.
Like we're getting wasted. Period.
Guys, we are gonna drink a shot with matcha foam. That's amazing.